Today we will be discussing and demonstrating how to select a pier cap or coping for your development. The copings on our website offer a range of styles and mouldings. Once your preferred moulding is selected, the next stage is to consider the width of the coping you require. The measurements on our website are displayed in millimetres. On the underside of each coping there are two grooves called drips. These are designed to displace water and prevent the rainfall from the coping soaking into the brickwork below. To allow these drip grooves to work effectively, it is important that the bottom width of the coping is a minimum of 80mm wider. That's 40mm each side, than to the wall they are being secured to. As an example, if your brick wall is 215mm wide, you will require a coping with an underside dimension of at least 295mm. The next stage is to choose the orientation of the copings. For most of our range, we offer plain-ended lengths, plain on each end for running in series, 90-degree corners and a terminal ends, where the moulding returns through the end to finish off a run of copings. Once you have chosen your orientation, the final step will be to select your chosen colour. We recommend adding a bag of pointing mix to go along with your order. Unlike the copings, the pier caps are supplied without drips, as on brick piers these are not necessary. Our website categorises each pier cap by brick size, and once the correct size is selected, it is simply a case of selecting your preferred style. Alongside unique designs, we also offer a range to complement our standard copings. Once you have chosen the style of your pier cap, you can select a colour from the various options we have available. Our pier caps can also be styled with other cast stone components to sit on top of it, such as an urn or a bull finial. If you have any questions regarding choosing a coping or pier cap, please do not hesitate to contact a member of the team.